Oh my gosh,
Oh
I'm so
yeah, some
excited.
ketchup, some
I have
ketchup.
made an
Oh my
ham and
gosh,
egg
that's the
omelet
best.
in
Oh
my
my gosh.
mini
Ham
noodle
and
and rice
eggs
cooker. Look at that.
easily in
Oh,
my
so
dash.
delicious.
Nope, nope. It's my mini from nostalgia. Yay! Good morning, everybody. This morning we're experimenting with my mini noodle cooker, and I love eggs, and I can't get eggs to cook in my Hot Logic Mini, so I'm going to show you how it's done, and I'm going to hope it gets done properly. So first what I have is 2 eggs and cilantro, and I'm going to put in a little bit of Cholula sauce just to give it some pop. I'll show you what it is. Cholula hot sauce, very good. I'm going to stir it all up. What I'm doing is I'm pre-getting things all ready so I can just go boom, boom, boom and make me a quick breakfast. And the reason why I love my mini noodle cooker is because I go camping an awful lot, and I can use my Goal Zero Yeti 500 with it. So I'm basically cooking with the sun and not using a lot of butane or propane in my van, which stinks a little bit. And you know, the butane, once I turn on my little stove, it makes the van real hot, and summer's coming. Okay, it's pre-mixed. Before I put in my egg mixture, what I'm going to do is heat up my onions, and I have, this is a pepper, it's an orange pepper, and this is my ham, so I have everything pre-cut up. This gets hot, okay, so always have your pot holders nearby, and that's what I do. All right, so let the experiment begin. It is 6:49 in the morning. I'm going to plug this in. The little light is on. There's the little light right there. And I absolutely hate this spray from Costco, but that's all I have right now. So I'm going to spray the little pan. See, it doesn't make a good spray, but it's going to get hot real quick. And it just turned 6:49. While that's heating up, I love this San Luis sourdough deli bread. It really is sourdoughy, and you can get this in the Walmart in San Diego for about $4. Okay, it's been a minute, and my oil looks hot, so I'm going to add in my onions. Oh, there they are. It's sizzling. It actually is sizzling. Let me move it a little closer. There we go. Love the sizzle. Can you believe that's actually sizzling? So I'm going to let that sizzle. Yay. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Hear it? All right. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle. Nope, a little piece of ham got in there. But yeah, I like my bell peppers cooked a little bit, and my green onions. Oh my gosh, this is so going to work for van camping. I absolutely love it. We have sizzling, and we're at 6:52. I was a little pokey because I put in my toast. You can hear it in the toaster, the little toaster going click, 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 click. But I'm going to give this a minute, just so it's not raw. I'm going to go stir up my eggs. Oh my gosh, you can't believe how much sizzling we got going, but this is so exciting. I have not been able to make me decent eggs in my van unless I take out my butane stove, and I don't want to. This is so much better. I can run this off my battery. Yay, I'm so happy. All right, that's looking good. And we are 4 minutes in. We heated it up for like 2 minutes. Oh, my toast is done. Yay. And in about a few seconds, I'm gonna go ahead and put in my ham right now and get the chill off the ham. This is so exciting. I can actually cook 2 eggs in this. All right, I'm gonna replace the lid for a minute and let all that heat up. Yay. Oh my gosh, do you hear all that sizzling? Oh, this is excellent. All right, I'm going to add the eggs to it. Let me get the eggs. By the way, this is my first time doing a video like this. Will 2 eggs fit in here? And in the egg mixture, I put some cilantro. Oh my gosh, this is wonderful. All right, I'm going to replace the lid, and we are 6 minutes into it, and it's like boiling. Yay, how cool is this? All right, so I just replaced the lid, and I'm going to let it cook for a minute. Then I'll come right back, and we'll stir it up. Oh my gosh, exciting. Okie dokie, it's been a minute, so I'm going to give it a quick stir. Stir my ham and everything into it. Oh my gosh, it's looking good. The bottom's cooking really well with the little lid on. Oh, I didn't spray the sides. Okay, that was my bad. I did not spray the sides. I am so digging this. Oh, I can't wait to go camping. Does that not look beautiful? Oh my gosh, it looks beautiful. All right, next time spray the sides, Terry. Get better spray, spray the sides. The spray at Dollar Tree works so much better. $1.25 tree. All right, put the lid back on. This is so faster than using the Hot Logic Mini. Now, don't get me wrong. I like the Hot Logic Mini when I'm driving and it cooks, but it never does eggs. It really doesn't get hot enough to do eggs. So this is wonderful. I'll let it back on for another minute. So while we're cooking, yeah, I'm just, this is what I tell people all the time. Practice in your vehicle before you go out camping and get this down to a rhythm. I am so excited. Most of my regular viewers know I've been hospitalized and I'm a little sick right now. And I may not be able to go camping for another 3 weeks. Hopefully I can get back out there on the road, but I'm going to be all practiced up with this rice cooker. I am so excited. This has really expanded all the opportunities of eating on the road. I don't believe in going in and going out to breakfast. I cook the best breakfasts when I have a full kitchen, but this is going to do. Yeah, because usually you go out for breakfast, it's $12 to $15. You get a little cup of orange juice, that's $4 or $5. Coffee's $4. You add in a tip, you're looking at $30 for breakfast on the road. And I'm like, I don't think so. So far, this has heated up my sandwiches. It's making me an omelet. I couldn't be more pleased. All right, it is 6:58 and time to give it a quick stir. Oh my gosh, it's looking so good. I bet you it'll be about 10, 11 minutes before this whole breakfast is done. Look at that. I just got to get the cooked stuff on the bottom. But I am not disappointed at all. Of course, you cannot drive while you're cooking with this. I don't recommend it. But, and right now, there's no sun outside. So later on, I'm going to charge up my batteries. I'm doing that right now. But I can't charge up the batteries because there's no sun. Okay, and stop taking off the lid, Terry, and stirring because it'll take it longer to cook. But, oh my gosh. All right, so we're at the 10-minute mark. So happy with this. There we go. So while it's cooking, let me talk to you about solar right now. I'm over at Blue Eddy. They're having a Mother's Day sale. Now they have a 600-watt solar. What is it called, Terry? It has everything. You know, you can plug into it and everything. It's a portable power station, and that's $200. But the 200-watt solar panel is $400. So I'm looking at about $600 for solar power. But what it is I can take this lightweight little battery into like Panera Breads and charge it up real quick. It'll charge in under an hour to almost 80%. And most mornings when I'm out camping, I do go into Panera Bread, so that's nice. Or I can, if I'm on BLM land, I have Goal Zero with a folding solar panel. And it's like, well, Terry, why not just buy another Goal Zero battery? Well, each solar panel can only charge one battery at a time. So if I get an additional solar panel, I can charge up 2 batteries at the same time with 2 fold-in solar panels. Did I make sense? I hope so. All right, we're at 7:01. I'm going to give it like a couple more seconds and I'll come back in. Cool. All right, we are back. We are at 7:02. Oh, 7:03. The clock just changed. Oh my gosh. Now, some people will say your omelet is done right now, so I'm going to go ahead and turn it off. Oh my gosh, that is so amazing. I'm going to flip it. Oh my God, that was cool. I'm going to turn it off. And we'll take it out in a minute and plate it. But it's mostly done. It's still sizzling. Cool. And my toaster wasn't plugged in, so I'm going to cook my toast real quick. I didn't want to blow a fuse. I'm not real good at this homey stuff. So I'll be right back. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and plate it. One of the things I was thinking is this was too small. Usually I put a carbohydrate in it. I did not have the cubed potatoes. I only had the sliced potatoes, and I was worried that there wouldn't be enough space to put in some potatoes, but look how wrong I was. So I can make a complete breakfast for one. Yes, I can. So instead of my potatoes for a carb, I did make toast. There is no way for me to use a toaster in my van, but the potatoes would have went in as a carbohydrate. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and plate it. I am super duper. All right, I am super duper excited. This is easy to clean. Look at that. That's a delicious looking egg. It comes out and everything. Voila, what a beautiful breakfast. And like I said, I could have gotten some eggs in there. So sweet. What a great breakfast. All right, everybody, bon appetit. So let me open it up. Oh my gosh, is this not the best? I think it's a lot healthier than getting something at Dollar Tree. I could have put cheese on it. I could have done a lot of things, but oh my gosh, all that with 2 eggs. Delicious. All right, everyone, bon appetit.